KFB is a simple way to make an increase in your knitting. Here I have a swatch where I've made just one KFB on each side, and you can see how much it transforms. There are a few ways you can make an increase, but I really love KFB for beginners, so let's get started. KFB, or knit front and back, is a way to make 2 stitches out of 1 stitch. So this is often abbreviated KFB in a pattern, and it's a pretty easy technique and actually kind of fun. So I always look forward to making a new stitch this way. What you want to do is knit kind of like you normally would. So you put your needle in through the loop, knit, but don't take it off the needle. What you do is bring this needle around and you see that there's a loop created, and you go in through that back loop and knit that and then take it off. I'll show you again. So we're going to go in through the front loop, knit, but don't take it off, and then go in through that back loop, and you might have to wedge it in there. Things can get tight. Speaking of things getting tight, if you know you're going to have to knit front and back in the previous row, be a little bit looser with a stitch around that area. I had a heck of a time trying to do this technique when I first started knitting because I was such a tight knitter. I could not get this needle in through this stitch twice. Just be a little bit looser in those areas if you can. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to hearing from you in the comments.